the County Public Service Board recently concluded interviews for health professionals in an exercise that was carried out with utmost professionalism, transparency, and free from corruption. By the end of this month, all successive candidates will receive their appointment letters and join health workers in strengthening and improving healthcare service delivery across the county. Balibali bonsi bibakora interview chobo nyaktari 300 weikomo yali bomutenyoyo konyora bara marubabo abantu ba apply te barenge 4700 abantu tokwa marube 300 igo balibande nintakitemba bange ndolenga kibao tokonya on a voluntary basis so that the second advert tuoi balibao tokonya na volunteers ko nyaktari tobalike. Recently I held a meeting with our doctors who assured me if there is readiness or their readiness to travel to Congo and support the country in fight against Ebola. Aba nyaktari baito abandenga no ende totakeire manya confidence wabwati onye Congo geto ganeti ndole de braga lakini mbatagita bagenda bachikorwali because they believe in themselves. And I want to encourage you, my brothers and sisters who are doctors, for those ones of you who are willing, we will support you. We will make sure even the national government supports you. Ekiagere neibe iras mebuene ata isionye